What's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how you can recreate the lead Plucky synth from the track No Slaves by Kanye West. I'd like to thank the user Adrian for the suggestion. So yeah, let's begin. And this is what we're going to recreate today. So as you can see, it consists of two synths, the first one being the Plucky synth and the other one being the bass, which accompanies the synth. So yeah, I'm also going to include in the description the MIDI file so you can have all the notes. So yeah, what we're going to have to do is open up Serum. Then we have to do is head on to Default, go to Analog and choose Square Saw WRD. What you have to do then is go to the release and increase it to 375. Afterwards, you have to go to the LFO shape and then just click on the dot here on the top and drag it to the left. Then take this middle dot here and just drag it down to like this, so you kind of create a little curve. And yeah, it should look like this. Then what you have to do is make sure that the trigger mode is enabled, and then make sure that the rate is set to 1/4. What you have to do then is enable the filter, set it to MGLO 24. Then what you have to do is make sure that the filter cutoff is 534. And then what you have to do is drag this LFO shape to the cutoff like this. And then by dragging this little blue icon here, make sure you drag it down to 40. Like that. What you have to do then is head to the Effects tab, and we're going to have to enable Reverb. Make sure this is set to Hall. And then what you have to do is decrease the size to about 30%. Set the decay to 3 seconds. Make sure the low cut is set to 0%. And that high cut is set to 80%. Then what you have to do is set the spin to 60%. And leave spin depth as it is. What you have to do then is increase the mix to about 35%. And yeah, we are done for the lead Plucky synth, so let's have a listen. Oh, sorry, also forgot to mention is that you also have to open up EQ, and you have to cut the frequency, the high frequencies here. Just make sure you drag the decibels by -12, like this. And yeah, now we're done. So let's have a listen. Now what we're gonna have to do is open up Serum for the bass track. And what we're gonna have to do is again click on here. Go to Analog and set this to analog_BD_syn. Then just lower this by 1 octave. And then what you have to do is increase the takt slightly to 56 milliseconds. And then increase the release to 705 milliseconds. Then what you have to do is head on to the effects page again. Enable distortion, set this to diode 1, and then make sure you decrease the mix to about 30% more or less. Then that is it. Now we can just have a listen to each tracks individually. So let's have a listen to the bass track. This is how they sound together. And yeah, that's how you can recreate the synth. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment down below. And also don't forget to give me a suggestion for a synth you'd like me to recreate. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you later.